Welcome to my IoT project in the topic of smoke alarm. First, let's see the component. Draw a wiring diagram, then wiring the component. Design the plastic box and build it. Put the circuit into the box properly. Let's go to see the code. I have 4 parts. First is include and define part. Void setup, time for being application, and void loop. Finish the code and upload to ESP32 board. Let's see the result. I have set the smoke value. If it's more than 400, then it will alarm by the buzzer. LED is on. The bing and line notify will show the smoke warning in my phone as shown in the video.